Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have another vintage can of dehydrated food. Let's see what we have. Alright, we have some dehydrated beef, but it is textured vegetable protein, or TVP, basically just soy. And this can is from Ready Reserve Foods, which I believe might still be around. So if anyone out there works for this company, hit me up. And there you have the weight, 11 ounces. There you have the nutritional stuff. You have some iron and calcium. You have about 900 calories and some protein, so it's pretty good. This one yields approximately 11 3-ounce servings, or 33 ounces. There we have the heating directions, which we will follow if you guys want to read that. And there we have the ingredients: soy flour, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, salt, spices, caramel color, and flavorings. And there you have the nitrogen atmosphere added to protect freshness. Yeah, there you have the happy little squirrel just hanging out. The can looks really clean. So yeah, let's crack into it. Let's check it out. All right, let's open it up. Let's see if we hear a hiss. Yeah, nice hiss. All right, let's open it up. There you have the beef TVP. Doesn't that look appetizing? So yeah, let's prepare it. And of course, we'll use our foreignmre.com titanium spork. All right, we have a cup, or 8 ounces. Let's get some water. Yeah, that looks about right. We don't have to be exact. And we'll use our dime stove that we got from Shocker 71. And we'll place the lid on top. All right, so I guess we'll give it about 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll come back. All right, so in my previous video, the dehydrated applesauce, some of you were curious to know if there was anything else in the can, like an oxygen absorber or anything like that. I did not check, but I guess we can check this one. So let's do that. And there you have it. No oxygen absorber, just the beef and the can. All right, it looks like it's done. We'll let that cool down for a few minutes and then I guess we can taste it. All All right, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's give the beef a try. Let's grab a spoon. And there you have the beef TVP. Looks a little spongy. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that is exactly textured vegetable protein. It tastes just like soy. It's got a weird spongy texture to it. It is salted and there is some type of spices in there. I can't really tell. It mostly tastes like soy. It does not have any weird aftertaste. Yeah, I would say this is still edible, still good. I'll give you guys another close-up. Let's grab a piece. Whoops. There you can see the juice, the water, and it is very spongy and rubbery. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the rehydrated beef TVP, and it is exactly what you would expect, just dehydrated protein product, just shaped and formed like ground beef. Yeah, I have plenty of other cans, different type of stuff. Got some ham bits and corn. So if you guys are curious and you want to see the rest, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you hit the little bell button to get notifications. Yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.